Hello there, it's time for mailbag number 28. Let's open this box from China and have a look at what's inside. There was a bag with parts inside the box. Here is the power cable. I ordered an EU plug and received an US/Chinese plug. Here we have an alligator clip, a bag with screws and the voltmeter. Here is the transformer. It's rated for 220 volts with 12 volts output at 2 VA spoiler. It's a pile of garbage. It can't even deliver half of its rating. Here's the other alligator clip. The bag with all the electronic components. The parts for the acrylic or plexiglass case. The schematic and parts list also contains some Chinese assembly instructions. I will only assemble the LM317 power supply part. I don't care about the hex inverter, the flashing LEDs and the buzzer. Here are the Chinese assembly instructions. Let's have a closer look at the voltmeter. It has voltage display printed on the back. Let's hook it up to the trusty old 9 volts rechargeable battery and see if it works. The multimeter confirms that it's pretty close. Connecting the transformer to 230 volts in a somewhat sketchy way. It works. It gives 13.1 volts on the secondary. And here we have the next bag with items. The bag contained 2 mini measuring tapes. I ordered them because I somehow lost my mini measuring tape. Measuring the car audio cassette adapter just for fun. Putting the measuring tape between the speaker and the Ethernet switch. And we have arrived at the last item for this mailbag video. It's a thank you and please give us all 5 stars card. The last item is an audio ground loop isolator with 3.5 mm in and output. Almost forgot the included short 3.5 mm cable. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.